Panlasa ni Tisoy. Welcome to another episode of Panlasa ni Tisoy. So tonight I am cooking asado, chicken asado. Not to be confused with pollo asado, which is a Mexican way of cooking asado. Anyways, it's Cinco de Mayo, guys. What is Cinco de Mayo? Is it the independence of Mexico? No, it's not. I thought it was until I got educated by Mexicans. It was the war in 1862 by the Mexicans against the French army led by Napoleon III. So it's not widely celebrated in Mexico, but it is celebrated in the US. You know why? Because Americans like to party. They make excuse to eat. Anyways, I am cooking chicken asado tacos tonight in memory of Cinco de Mayo. Thank you very much. I hope you guys like this video and you learned something. Aloha! So the first thing we're gonna do is do our marinade. We put a cup of soy sauce, a teaspoon of oyster sauce, some ground pepper, and 12 calamansi. If you don't have calamansi, you can use lemon. Maybe 2 lemons would work. Squeeze your lemon or your calamansi in a strainer. Of course, you don't want the seeds in your marinade. Now you're gonna pour your marinade in the chicken. You gotta get your hands dirty on this. I like to mix the chicken with my hands so you can get the marinade inside the chicken. Ingredients for this dish: green scallions, minced garlic, onion chopped, some cilantro, avocado oil or any other oil you want to use, ground pepper, tomato sauce, 6 pounds of chicken thighs, skinless, boneless, tomatoes, and lettuce. On a heated pot, pour some oil. I would say probably, guesstimate there, probably 3 tablespoons. And we start cooking the chicken, guys. So I marinated the chicken for about an hour. Okay, as you can see, one side is probably cooked already. Let's flip this chicken. Good. Okay, switch that one, put this in the middle. That one's cooked too. Check this out. Okay, some of them are ready. Pull out the ready ones and then we'll finish cooking the rest. Okay, that looks ready. You can hear it sizzle. Now we're gonna add the rest of the chicken. We're gonna set aside the marinade because we're gonna use that for sauce later on. Okay, it's time to flip the chicken. So let me take some of the ones that are ready. Okay, the chicken should be good. Should be ready. Now we can start with the main dish. Yeah, that looks cooked. All right. This alone is already good enough to eat. I tasted the piece and it was good. It's almost like barbecued chicken, but not barbecued. You know what I mean. All right, so now we're gonna put some onion. Saute this onion, like so. That's where all the flavor is, by the way, guys. So you don't wanna wash your pot. Look at that umami flavor. Okay, that should be good. So let's add the garlic. About probably 4 tablespoons of, not tablespoon, teaspoon of garlic. Mix that up. Saute it, just like we did with the onion. No, I can smell that garlic. All right. Mix that up, put it inside. Now we're ready for the tomatoes. I have about a tomato and a half slice here. So the rest of the tomatoes we're gonna use for the tacos later on. Oh, by the way, I'm making soft tacos, all right? I didn't buy no hard taco shell, so we're making soft tacos. Saute, just like we did with the garlic and the onion. Now we can mix it all up. Oh, I can smell the aromatics. We put half a can of tomato sauce. I saved the other can for, the other half for later use, for any dish that I would cook with tomato sauce. Now we can add the chicken. And we're gonna let that simmer for a little while. I'm gonna mix it up first and then we'll cover it up and let it simmer. We're gonna lower the heat. And then we'll let it simmer. That looks good, guys. Let's go mix it up. Oh yeah. Looks like an asado now. So, the recipe actually calls for putting the marinade, but I don't know if I should put it. Maybe I'll add a little bit of the marinade. So we're gonna let that marinade cook a little bit. Okay, we're gonna add ground pepper. Once everything is cooked, we're gonna shred it so we can put it in our tacos, in our soft tacos, or should I say tortilla. Alright, we're gonna let that cook for a little while, probably about 2 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna shred this thing because it looks like it's ready. We're gonna shred the chicken right there at the pot, on the pot. I just found bones. I'm supposed to leave boneless chicken. I just found the bone. Now you cannot rely what the store tells you. It says boneless. It's gonna have bone. Look, I found one bone. I'm glad I'm shredding that chicken. Otherwise, we would have not seen that bone. Anyways, it's as easy as that, guys. So, we're gonna taste this out. So let's taste this thing. Let's see how this asado soft taco came out. You don't really have to put a lot of chicken, but some people do like a lot of chicken. Okay, I'm gonna go over here, get some tomatoes or tomatoes, some green onion, cilantro, my favorite, then some lettuce, shredded lettuce, some cheese, Mexican cheese, of course. And then we'll put some red salsa and some salsa verde. Now we're gonna taste this thing. See how it comes out. Of course, we're gonna roll it like a taco, not like a burrito now. All right. Probably gonna be messy, but that's part of eating a taco, especially using one hand. Here we go, guys. Here goes nothing. Hold on, let me fold that back side so there's no spillage. All right, go. Let's do this. It's really good. Really good. Wow, that's awesome. Anyways, happy Cinco de Mayo. I hope you guys learned something. Salamat po, thank you, and live life to the fullest. I will. Bye.